Rav. So beautiful. Let's hear it again.
Again, excerpt number 28.
Together. Let us connect and hear together what Rabash says.
A person must believe above reason that he is in wholeness, and so is the whole world. It follows that in this way he can and should thank the Creator for giving us abundance.
This means that we exist in the complete system, at the end of correction, Adam Arishon, everything is whole. However, we need to discover it. But the fact that we're in it, all of us, that's for sure. Yes? So why do we have to look at it this way?
This is called the right line, which is the complete opposite of the left line. That is, in the left line, we walk within reason. As was said, a judge has only what his eyes see. In other words, it is specifically with the intellect and not above the intellect. But when shifting to work with the right, the left is the cause that the right is built on the basis of above reason. This is, as our sages said, the left pushes away and the right pulls near. In other words, the state of left shows a person how he is rejected and separated from the work of the Creator. The right pulls near means that it shows him that he is close to the work of the Creator. This means that when he engages in the left should bring him to see a state of rejection, that he is rejected and separated from the work. When he engages in the right, he should come to a state where he sees that he is close to the Creator. He should thank the Creator for the right and pray to the Creator for the left.
A workshop. Friends, a workshop. Why should we feel one time the left, another time the right? What do we get out of it? That we feel both of these states on our path, in our development. Go ahead, please. Talk between you, and most importantly, it is between you. Go ahead.